Welcome to our latest video. Today, we are talking about the top 5 best Amazon dash camera under $100. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. All the links of the dash camera are in the description below the video. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Introducing the iZEEKER 2 5K dash cam, your ultimate companion on the road. With stunning 1440p QHD resolution, every detail is crystal clear. You won't miss a thing. The 3-inch IPS display makes it easy to view your recordings and adjust settings with just a few taps. A user-friendly design for every driver. Driving at night? No problem. Thanks to its advanced night vision and WDR technology, you'll capture bright and detailed footage, even in low light. With a 170 degrees wide angle, the iZEEKER dashcam ensures that you can capture the entire road ahead. Safety first. Never worry about running out of storage. The loop recording feature allows continuous capture, automatically overwriting the oldest files when storage is full. In case of an emergency, the built-in G sensor automatically saves crucial footage, so you always have a record when you need it most. Worried about your car when you're not around? The 24H parking mode keeps an eye on your vehicle, recording any incidents even when you're away. This dashcam has 4.1 rating and 2000 plus BSR rank on Amazon, so that we recommend this dashcam to you. And setup is a breeze with a convenient Type-C connection. Fast, efficient, and ready to go. Why wait? Upgrade your driving experience with the iZEEKER dashcam today. Capture every moment, ensure your safety, and drive with peace of mind. Introducing the Azacvb-WMY, your ultimate driving companion. Capture every moment on the road with stunning clarity. Our 4K Full UHD car camera provides crystal clear video quality that brings your journeys to life. With a 170 degrees wide-angle lens, the Azacvb-WMY ensures you won't miss a single detail, whether you're cruising through city streets or navigating winding country roads. And don't worry about the dark. Equipped with built-in super night vision, this dashcam captures exceptional quality in low light, so you can drive with confidence anytime. Stay connected with the user-friendly 2.0 IPS screen, allowing you to easily preview and playback your recordings. Experience enhanced video quality with wide dynamic range WDR technology, automatically adjusting to varying light conditions to present clear images whether it's sunshine or shadow. Never worry about your parked car again. The 24H parking mode keeps watch while you're away. Plus, with loop recording, you'll never run out of storage space. It automatically overwrites the oldest files to keep your most important moments safe. Installation is a breeze. Just mount it, plug it in, and you're ready to hit the road. The parking mode gives me such peace of mind. Join the countless satisfied drivers and elevate your driving experience with the Azacvb-WMY dash camera. This dash cam has 4.1 rating and 3000 plus BSR rank on Amazon, so that we recommend this dash cam to you. Get yours today. Built-in super night vision, WDR, loop recording, and more, all packed into one incredible device. Don't wait until it's too late. Azacvb-WMY. Safety, clarity, confidence. Introducing the OMBAR dashcam, your ultimate driving companion. Capture every moment on the road with stunning quality. The OMBAR dashcam features front recording in crisp 4K and rear recording in either 2K or 1080p, ensuring you never miss a detail. Stay connected with 5G Wi-Fi and built-in GPS. Share your journeys in real time and never lose track of where you've been. And don't worry about night driving. Our advanced WDR night vision ensures clear footage even in low light conditions. With 24-hour parking mode, OMBAR keeps an eye on your vehicle even when you're not around. Feel secure knowing your car is always protected. Thanks to the built-in G sensor, OMBAR automatically saves important footage in case of sudden events like collisions. Safety first. Never worry about running out of storage. Our loop recording feature ensures continuous capture, overwriting old files when your memory is full. This dashcam has 4.3 rating and 3000 plus BSR rank on Amazon, so that we recommend this dashcam to you. Control it all from your smartphone with our user-friendly app. View, download, and share your footage effortlessly. Experience peace of mind and enhanced driving with the OMBAR dashcam. Grab yours today and hit the road with confidence. Introducing the Kingslim D4, your ultimate driving companion. Whether you're commuting or on a road trip, this dual dashcam has got you covered. Equipped with built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, the Kingslim D4 is more than just a camera. It's your safety net on the road. With stunning 4K resolution for the front camera and 5K for the rear, plus 1080p for crystal clear recordings, every detail is captured in stunning clarity. Control all your features with the easy-to-use 3-inch IPS touchscreen. Swipe and tap your way through settings with just a touch. With an impressive 170 degrees field of view, the Kingslim D4 captures everything happening around you, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Thanks to the high-performance Sony Starbus sensor, you get sharp and vivid footage, even in low light. Nighttime driving? Not a problem. And with support for up to 256 GB of storage, you can record days' worth of footage without worrying about running out of space. This dashcam has 4.2 rating and 15,000 plus BSR rank on Amazon, so that we recommend this dashcam to you. Drive with confidence and stay protected with the Kingslim D4 Dual Dashcam. Your road, your story, capture it all. Transform your driving experience with the WOLFBOX G840S. This 12-inch 4K mirror dashcam is your new co-pilot. First up, the stunning 2160p Full HD quality. Experience crystal clear images from both the front and rear cameras, capturing every detail of your journey. With its dual camera system, you have a complete view of the road ahead and behind you, giving you peace of mind whether you're commuting or on a weekend adventure. But wait, there's more. Night vision capabilities allow you to drive safely after dark, ensuring you see what others might miss. Parking assistance is a game changer. Get help maneuvering into tight spots with real-time guidance right on your mirror. And let's not forget the included 32 GB card, ready to capture all your drives without needing extra memory. Plus, with built-in GPS, you can keep track of your journey like never before. This dashcam has 4.3 rating and 500 plus BSR rank on Amazon, so that we recommend this dashcam to you. The WOLFBOX G840S is perfect for families, road trips, or anyone who values safety and clarity on the road. So, what are you waiting for? Upgrade your ride with the WOLFBOX G840S today. Get ready for a smarter, safer, and more stylish drive.
Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video thumbs up.